Hi everyone. So today I'm here to talk to you about my Almay TLC Truly Lasting Color Foundation. So this is a powder that I found online, and it comes in a pretty compact container. You see that it's clear on the bottom, and then it just has the branding of the company on top. Um, so this particular piece of makeup comes in three different versions. So one version they call the light version, the next version they call the light medium version, and then the last version they call the medium version. So three versions: light, light medium, and medium. Um, or at least that's what I saw online when I originally bought this product. So, as you can probably guess, the different variations that they have is because people have different skin tones, and you want to find a foundation that matches your skin tone. So, I'm not particularly sure what this one is. It might say here. Um, Actually, wait. It says light. So, yep, I believe it says light. So I'm not surprised by that because I'm pretty light-skinned. Um, given that, this is the product that I chose when I bought this online, which was a pretty long time ago. I've had this for about a year or so. And I will show that because it has a lot of wear and tear to it. First off, when you open this, mine kind of comes right off. But trust me, when you get this, that's not going to happen. When I first got this originally, it would kind of open up like this, and you would have the mirror here, and you can put on your foundation and watch yourself in the mirror as you're putting on the foundation. So you won't need an external mirror to help you in putting on your makeup in the morning. As far as the actual powder is supposed to be located here. And as you can see, I've used up almost all of it. There is some of it in the side here along the rim. So that's where the powder is right now in my version of this product. So underneath this is going to be the actual pad. So I'm going to pick this up. And as you can see, with wear and tear over a long period of time, the soft pad has kind of separated itself from its base, as you can see. But when you get this for the first time, it will be stuck together and it will be new. It won't be used. As you can see, there's a lot of, powder still on here from previous uses. I've used this pad. This is the original pad, so I haven't gone a different pad to use with this. This is the original pad that came with this item. So when I use this, I usually will go around the rim and pick up some powder, and then I will put it on my face, and I will usually put a light layer all over my face because I do have acne all over my face. It's not terrible, but especially around my nose and around my jawline, there's a lot of pimples, and this helps to reduce the redness associated. As far as it lasting all day, and I'll just put a little bit on. As far as lasting all day, it doesn't really do that for me. I find that I will put it on in the morning, and then when I get home from work at night, I will not notice that the powder is still on my face. It has probably dissolved by then, or maybe I rub my face too much and that's why the powder is not there anymore. But anyways, when I get home from work at night, which is about 8 hours, it's not there anymore. So that leads me to believe that in this case, you're probably going to need to reapply throughout the day. So this is something that you can kind of keep in your purse, or you can have a makeup bag that you put inside your purse, and it's very small and compact that you can put inside your purse, and it will be no problem. It will fit, and you can go to the bathroom and reapply as needed. When I got this product, they claimed that it lasted 16 hours, and that's not exactly true. I think that's just really good marketing, and they kind of push the envelope a little bit when they say that. This gives you a good shot of the back side of the product, so you know exactly what I have. But this is what I use for my foundation. I hope you like it, and yep, thanks.